There's a famous line from Tony Robbins. It's in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. So let me ask you straight up. Have you actually decided the exact amount of money you want to create each month? Not I want to make more. Not I want to double what I have. Not I want to feel comfortable with money. I mean a clear number. $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month. What's your number and by when? Right now we're dealing with inflation, higher taxes, rising costs, credit card reminders, student loans, expensive health insurance. If you want money to flow in, the answer isn't to wish for more. The answer is to decide. Here's the thing. Open Google Maps and don't type an address. The app just sits there. The law of attraction works the same way. It amplifies what's already clear in your mind. No address means no number, no deadline, no upward drive. Translation: you haven't installed a route to financial freedom. Most people don't get what they want, not because they're not capable, but because they don't truly know what they want, how specific it needs to be, or when it's happening. So here's the plan. A simple framework called 3D Money Clarity. Decide, define, and do. By the end of this video, you'll have your number, your deadline, the internal fire to chase it, and the first actions to activate the law of attraction the right way. Picture this. You've got a boat at the Los Angeles harbor. Wide ocean, perfect wind. But you never set a destination. The boat moves, just in circles. Every day, more gas, more hours, more exhaustion. No arrival. That's how a lot of people's finances look. This year I'll make more money. This month I'll work harder. Grab more overtime. Maybe I'll get lucky. But what does more mean? $100? $500? $2,000? With no measurement, your brain can't mobilize resources, and the universe has no delivery address. If the signal you send about money is vague, how can life deliver precisely? The law of attraction isn't magic, it's a focus mechanism. What you think about clearly, repeatedly with emotion and aligned action gets amplified. Think vague, send a vague signal, think specific. Send a specific signal, and life responds specifically. You don't have to buy into every buzzword, just accept this. Your brain is a radar. The clearer the target, the easier it locks onto the right opportunities, connections, ideas, and actions. Now imagine waking up tomorrow and your money goals actually start moving. Which wheel turns first? You don't need a complicated plan, just 3 steps in order. Step 1. Decide. Pick the number and the date. One number, one deadline, one reason. I choose $5,000 in net profit per month by December 31st, 2025 to pay off my credit cards, raise my credit score, cover my kids' tuition, and build a 6-month emergency fund. The moment you decide, you install a filter for every choice. Which jobs you take, how you price, what skills you learn, who you partner with, and what you say no to. Step 2. Define. Give your money a job before it arrives. Draw a simple money map. Example with $5,000 net per month. 10% to give, family or charity, $500. 10% to self-care and growth, health, courses, skills, experiences, $500. 10% to joy and rewards, keep your fire alive, $500. 60% to assets and safety, $3,000 to the emergency fund, high interest debt, Roth IRA or 401k, or business capital. Adjust for your reality. New York isn't Texas. Freelancer isn't full-time. But keep the rule, tie the number to meaning and emotion. When you see $500 going to your parents each month and $3,000 funding your asset machine, your heart wants to hit that number. That's how the law of attraction hooks into emotion. Step 3. Do daily aligned actions. Don't think so big that you freeze. Think small and consistent, because small and consistent changes your life. Personal growth, 15 to 30 minutes a day. Read 10 to 15 pages on personal finance, negotiation, sales, or money psychology. Capture 3 takeaways and 1 action you'll do now, like rewriting your one-line pitch. Money skill upgrade, 30 to 60 minutes a day. Choose one monetizable skill: copywriting, design, video editing, data analysis, AI ops. Use the 30-day rule: 1 practice piece per day, 1 portfolio asset per week. Energy and health, 20 to 30 minutes a day. Brisk walk, light weights, push-ups, planks. High energy leads to high output, which leads to higher income. Sleep 7 to 8 hours, hydrate first thing, cut late caffeine. I'll break down the health-income connection in a future video. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Don't feel like you have to do all of this on day 1. Pick 1 or 2 to start with and build momentum. Before you start, let's clear 3 illusions that pull you back to the starting line. First, I just need a little more. More is a trap. $100 is more. Your brain can't read vague. Write a specific amount per month by a specific date. The universe ships to specific addresses. Second, what if I miss the goal? Then you learn to hit faster. Even if you miss, the number is useful because it pulls you out of your old orbit. Adjust, don't quit. Third, I don't know the right number. Start with a stretch but doable target, 30 to 50% above your current baseline. Attach meaning and a date. Review in 90 days. Goals are like running shoes. If they fit, you go farther. If you want a deep dive on setting goals with the law of attraction, drop a comment and I'll make that video next. Now picture this 3 months from now. You open your banking app and see the number you wrote down. You send $500 to your parents. You move $3,000 into your safety fund. That isn't luck. That's the outcome of 1 clear decision, a steady schedule, and a heart that remembers why. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent long enough. Day by day, your brain learns to trust you, and life learns where to deliver. Give yourself 60 seconds right now. Write it down and post this in the comments. I will earn dollar amount per month by month, day, year, to meaning because reason. Get clear on the number and the emotion, and you'll start receiving the good stuff the universe, through the law of attraction, has lined up for you. Soon you'll feel it. Remember, in the moment you decide, your destiny changes. Pick your number today. Thank you for always following and supporting the Success Code. To make sure you never miss new content, click the round subscribe button in the center of the screen, or choose the next video on the left or right. See you in the next one.